YouTubers. So today we have a lovely model. This was actually my third Sisterlock establishment. It went really well. It took us about 27 hours and we did 2 different sessions. As you can see, my grid is impeccable and I just love Sisterlocks. So hit me up if you have any questions about it. Make sure you do your research. And it is an investment, so drop some money on me if you're ready for these Sisterlocks. Thank you. I'm Conjura Shantae, the Healthy Hair Diva. Hope to see you soon.